Welcome to TPI's training video on Driver Performer for Level 2 or 3 managers. From the main menu, click on the Driver Performer icon. If you have been given VP level access, you will see the dashboard first. Click on the Driver Performer icon at the top of the page or the Click Here for Further Analysis link. Otherwise, you will be taken directly to your Board of Managers screen. Your summary for the period is listed first. Then your hierarchy detail for each manager is listed below. This summary is updated weekly. All changes are available at the start of business Monday. There are filters at the top of the screen to help sort your data. Time defaults to monthly. However, you can look at the information weekly, quarterly, or annually. Number of periods drop-down will determine how periods are shown when unfolding historical data. The division filter will only display data for the divisions selected in the filter. The class filter can be used to select solo or team. An owner-operator filter can select company or owner-operator. Managers are listed in total score order from the lowest score of 1 to the highest score of 4. If you click the arrow to the left of the manager, the previous historical periods will be displayed, and the number of periods shown is determined by the number of periods selected in the filter above. The arrows in the trend column show red if your driver group is trending down from the previous period, yellow if there is little or no change from the previous period, green if your driver group is trending up from the previous period. The graph in the score column will show red if your driver group is in the first quartile or lowest 25% compared to other managers. Yellow if your driver group is in the second quartile or between 26 and 50% compared to other managers. Black if your driver group is in the third quartile or between 51 and 75% compared to other managers. Green if your driver group is in the fourth quartile or highest percent compared to other managers. Total score is the measure of the driver efficiency using miles, fuel, and labor, where 1 is the lowest or needs the most improvement, and 4 is the highest or best. Annual opportunity is the financial impact to the company based on miles and fuel below the peer standard annualized. Annual opportunity per driver is the annual opportunity divided by the total number of drivers per manager. For the metrics section, the numbers are shown in red, yellow, black, and green, corresponding to the quartile that your driver group falls into, based on peer group considerations in each metric. Miles are the empty dispatch miles for the period compared to peer standard for drivers within their same group for the period displayed. Click the total miles number to see the details of the miles information. This pop-up shows an overview of the detailed mileage information for the manager's driver group. The Charts tab shows the comparison of the manager's group to the peer standard for various statistics. The Review tab shows all driver reviews related to miles for this manager or group of managers. Click the X in the top right corner to close the pop-up window. Similar details can be viewed for each manager for fuel, labor, safety, and service. Fuel equals the total miles per gallon performance for the driver group within the period compared to each individual driver peer group. Labor equals the pay rate per mile for the driver group within the period. Safety score is the measure of past accidents, citations, and critical events. Each event is assigned a value and are measured on a per million-mile basis, then evaluated in the peer group based on the experience level. Service score is the on-time service percentage. If there is a red S flag, a service failure occurred within the last 30 days. In the top right corner is a search feature that will allow you to quickly access a specific driver's information. You can enter the driver name or the driver code. Click on the driver name to see the details highlighted in yellow for that driver. Clicking on the manager name will show all the Level 1 managers and their metrics and indicators. Clicking on the manager name again will show the individual driver's metrics and indicators. There is the ability to export data on each of these detail screens. For more training videos, please visit TPI's Help section.